P-rises up on the scaffolding where you have a existing anchored brick veneer system. This building was built in the 1960s. You basically are looking at precast concrete panels about 10 feet tall. You can see a joint there, and that's the bolt line for the shelf angle lintel that would hold about a 10-foot stack of brick. You can see these vertical channels, approximately 16 inches on center. These are precast into the slabs, and you can see where the old brick ties are kind of a dovetail system that basically fit in here, and then this horizontal edge sits into the mortar between bricks, and this is spaced every 16 inches vertically and horizontally, and this is kind of what provides the lateral support, where your shelf angle or lintel provides the vertical support. So these guys are in the process of demoing right now, and I've got all of the shelf angles so far. And you can just take a look at some of the corrosion we've run into, just how bad these things were. This is actually kind of filleting, so this is steel that I'm actually peeling apart like shale. And we were able to see in the field the horizontal lines due to what was called rust jacking, right? So as these things corrode, the steel starts to delaminate and expand, and it starts popping a mortar line, and that's known as rust jacking. So it caused cracking in the system, movement. I mean, this is an A36 steel, structural piece of steel that I'm just able to break apart. So certainly happy that we're in the process of putting on our new system. Everything's going to be type 316 stainless steel. Yeah, corrosion, it's no joke.